Can we
Yeah,
just Chaitanya?
yeah.
Can we give assessment of Saturday, Sunday because in Diwali
Acha,
and
acha.
because of office work, na, not
Okay,
possible to give. We
okay.
can give Saturday or Sunday. Will be discussed
No,
on this.
no, no issues, no
No
issue,
issue. No?
no issue. Oh no, that's. I'm just asking like whether how you're able to
Mhm.
see the things. I'm
Uh,
just curious
Okay,
to know.
yes, yes.
ask now some more questions where we are not able
Yeah.
Actually, I solve Loing's code.
Hmm.
I have so many doubts in Loing's. I
Okay.
didn't solve RX Norman's Snowmed.
Okay.
I have so many doubts.
Okay. Okay.
We'll
Okay.
discuss in whole part in
Yeah, we'll discuss
assessment.
an assessment part in a separate class. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Today we are going to see about the same RxNAM part. Nothing but RxNORM, which is nothing but it is a kind of systematic nomenclature for pertaining to the drugs, mostly to the drugs which are used in clinical wise. And again, these are only for prescribed drugs, not for any OTs in general. And this is also like they have started these RxNAM codes from the National Library of Medicine (NLM). These under these NLM Unified Medical Language System UMLS, they have given this kind of structure, the same structure of how we are deriving from for the SNOMED code, right? The same National Library of Medicine started this kind of structure. Like I'll show first. I'll complete the theory part, and I'll show the how the browser works like and everything. And this is for both generic and branded drugs. Uh, Like acetaminophen is a generic name of paracetamol. Paracetamol, Crocin, Dolo, these are the branded names. Same. The Rxnam codes will have the both ingredient and generic names. Okay. And why these are where they are using means like see, Rxnam code is a normalized naming system for generic and branded drugs and tool for supporting semantic interoperation between drug terminology and pharmacy knowledge based systems. Like same in our clinical setting or in a hospital or any uh, hospital to lab, hospital to pharmacy, hospital to any other clinical setting, hospital to hospital. There is a chance for a transition of transformation of drugs to one place to one setting to another setting through the intercommunication. Someone will write this Dolo, someone will write a Dolo 650, someone will write like a Dolo 650 oral. There is a subtle difference between the each drug from setting to setting, and globally it the brand names will alternatively changes within globally. So in order to maintain the uniform name, this NLM under UMLS they started this RX nomenclature. Okay, this is the actual browser what we are seeing in our NLM. Like how we are going to get this browser means, like if you search NAV, RX NAV is nothing but RX Navigator. If you click this is the browser for navigation RxNam drugs. Okay. If there is a option like string, these are the types of different forms of set, but only RxNam browser, it will only work for this RX CUI, I mean RX codes. Okay. Suppose if I search any drug, sorry. Suppose if I'm going to search any drug, let's say naproxen. If I click this naproxen, automatically the whole information about the naproxen will pop out in the browser in the different forms. There is an option called download here. If I want to download whole information in a single set of file, CSV file, comma separated value, it will get the information as like this. See, okay, see, this is the information of the in this browser with the name of naproxen. These are the possible variants. 140 count here. The average count is 140. These are the names. These are the veterinary human use. These are for veterinary. These are given under only prescriptable. And this is the types. I'll explain this one. And 1 second. Is my screen sharing?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
I got it out. See, here we have this is the actual browser. And again, I'm going to this website again. See, this is developed by National Language Library of Medicine, produces rxnorm. Where this rxnorm code, anyway, this is actually some kind of data they are storing in a cloud and operating with the search browser. But where the information of medicines and drugs are getting from the data source of medication, these are the data source of medication. See here, source abbreviation, ATC, anatomical therapeutic chemical classification, vaccination administrator, drug bank. These are the some private independent body and some are government independent body. They are collecting the information of the drugs. What drugs informations like what is a interaction, what is a chemical classification, what is therapeutic activity, what is the pharmacological classes. These are the whole information they are stored in the data source. These these are the some independent bodies. They are giving information. They are acting a source data for this database for this rxnorm code. Okay, and where we are going to use this rxnorm codes in the hospitals, pharmacy, and other organization uses computer system record the process of drug information. Okay, and
Okay.
rxnorm, yeah, please go ahead, Sitaram. Hello.
No, Chaitanya. Okay. Only said.
Okay, fine. And these rxnorm contains rxnorm, it is valid for only prescription drug and many OTC drugs also, and which are not available. These rxnorms are not mapped to this kind of non-therapeutic radiopharmaceutical, bulk powder, constant media, food, dietary supplement. These are out of scope. These are all like out of scope for this rxnorm codes. And again, if we see here, rxnorm groups as synonym is one concept. Like if you see naproxen is a tablet 250 mg, one provider may write like this in one hospital. Some of the write 250 mg per, they'll write as a product. Naproxen 250 mg oral tablet, milligram in one. These are the different types of synonyms for the each tablet. But ideally when we see, this is comes under the only one concept. In order to differentiate the thing globally, they have derived this one concept model like rxnorm. Okay, let's explore this browser once. See, if I'm searching the naproxen without any drug, I mean strength, you need to search the medication without any strength. Then the moment after entering any value here, will get this information about this drug, which is called rx CUI. CUI matlab it is only for ingredient level. Naproxen is a chemical compound or potent compound which has some pharmacological ingredient considered as pharmacological ingredient. So we are giving rxCUI number here. And again, when naproxen is a if it is given as a multi-ingredient, like if it is combination from acetaminophen and naproxen, again the code set vary 10028561. See, here if any combinations of these drugs, again the code vary. How we are going to know means, if I click this acetaminophen naproxen, again we'll have this information. Acetaminophen naproxen will have a RxCUI code as 1008561, and independently now acetaminophen is 161, and independently ingredient by naproxen is a 7258. This is the difference. This is the difference between the ingredient and multi-ingredient. See, yes indicates here it is a single ingredient. M indicates it is a multi-ingredient. Okay, and some concepts like H means it is used for human purpose. Rx means which require prescription to give this medicine. These are some example. This is here ingredient and multi-ingredient. First classification done based on ingredient and multi-ingredient, and second classification is done on precise ingredient. Nothing but if any drug which is given in the form of salts, like any possible combinations, like potassium iodide, is any kind of salts added to the drug which gives additional information, will consider as a precise ingredient. When we can give this naproxen sodium means whenever we find a naproxen medication with the sodium salt, then we can consider as we can give the number which we are coming right after clicking this. This is the rxnorm code 142442. If it is for naproxen only ingredient level, we can consider as rxCUI. If it is a multi ingredients or a strength wise, we will consider as a rxnorm code. Am I things are getting clear, or am I confusing?
Clear.
Yeah, for both of you. I assume both of you are understand.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. And see here, this is the BN. BN nothing but brand name. See how these are the all brand names, particularly pertaining in the global wise. See, if we click on the each brand, again the number is automatically changes this rxnorm code. And if you see here, clinical drug component, SCDC, schematic clinical drug component, which means naproxen can be given in a many form of strength: mg, 200 mg, 25 mg, 250, 375, 500, 700. These are all clinical combinations for the drugs. If we search these clinical combinations, again the code automatically changes, which means only the ingredient will have a RxCUI code. Other than ingredient, any change in the ingredient, like based upon the strength or any combinations or any brand name, again these value set automatically changes. Okay, and the same time based upon the packing also, oral tablet will have a one rxnorm, and if it is not oral tablet, other set of oral suspension will have a again. These are the possible groups. And dose form available like oral, liquid, pill, and rectal product. This naproxen can be given in the form of these forms, and these are like again branded name, branded drug component, branded drug packing, and dose form. Again, branded dose forms also given here. These are the things. And if we click on this UI, nothing but how we are viewing these options, like for UI. If you click on the classic, if you click on the simple, the UI automatically changes. If you click on the simple, like a tabular form, like in the vision, how we are going to view, it will changes. And these are some filter options. Like if you want to see only, if you don't want to see any restrict to human drugs, it will only give the human. If you restrict the veterinary, it will only give the veterinary. And same prescription, single. These are the some legends which are involved. If P is right, like packing, M means multi-ingredient, M means MIN, multi-dose form. This is option like download. If you download the same thing, we'll get the whole information as like this, which is the forms of packing or multiple dose forms. And these are the type. This is a term type. This is RxCUI. This is the name. and this is for human veterinary use, or this gives information of prescriptible amount. Okay. And
Okay.
again, if you explore these options, like first option, like see rxnorm graph is not given, just given this is the whole information. If you click on this rxnorm properties, they'll give this naproxen property, like see, this is for single ingredient and prescribable, and you in human drug. Yes, US they are using TTY. TTY is nothing but a small technical, a small abbreviations. Like I'll show you here. These are the small abbreviations here. Terms TTY nothing but term types. Term types they are giving as TTYS. See, if you see in the IN nothing but ingredient. Again, they'll give the definition for ingredient. The compound or moiety that gives the drug as a clinical properties. And PIN nothing but prescription, precise ingredient. MIN. These are the forms of combination. See, based upon the strength, based on the dose, and based upon the dose group, again, this changes from one pack to another side. Okay, I'll share this information to you anyhow after this class, and we'll explore the next option. It'll give the properties of this thing. If you click on the NDC, NDC is nothing but NDC value. If you buy any medication and any vaccines, you will get a code like NDC. NDC code is nothing but manufacturing code, like which company they are manufacturing, and what is the year of manufacturing, what is the type of method. NDC code changes from company to company, having the same component also. And if you see the class type, see, these are the some categories of classes. Actually, don't get confused with the pharmacological classes. Like suppose if I am speaking about the metformin we can consider as an anti-diabetic medication. Suppose lisinopril is a hypertension drug which can be considered as an anti-hypertensive drug. These are the some pharmacological classes which are given widely accepted. But rxnorm code has given these kind of classes. See, ATC is a one class, mesh is a one class, disease is a one class, and chemistry is a one class, therapy is a one class. These are some other classifications derived from this only. If you see the what is the class for naproxen is the legend which is coming top level is considered as a class anatomical, therapeutical, and chemical ATC1. Suppose the same drug can be in the other classes also. See, naproxen is present in under mesh, MESC, MESPA, and ATC. It can be in many places also. That won't be a problem. If anyone like if they want to give the information, they are giving based upon these views. And if we see the another option like interaction view, this is nothing but what types of interacting drugs, how this naproxen is working, if it is used with any other drugs. Like one tab is for medication, another tab is for severity of drug, and another tab is for description, like what, how, whether they are giving severity or whether just giving any minor things. And another tab is for status. Status nothing but active concept, like whether these COI is gives the whether this is present in active or inactive. Okay, these are some other forms of doses. Okay, this is the actual value, concept name, ingredient, and everything. Okay, until it is clear. Until then,
Yes.
Yeah, nothing to worry. Like only we need to check the what is a potent chemical ingredient and what is the strength and what is the dose type. Based upon that, we can derive these functions. Like we can derive this rxnorm code.
Okay.
Okay, and along with this, one more set of code I want to say, like this is a CVX code. I'll check whether it's work or not. No, it is not working. One second. This is like not for CVX code. There is no actual browser. They'll just publish a, and I forgot to tell, like these rxnorm codes, right? Every year they'll release this two times, like either September or January. Whenever they add the new medications in the global wide, they'll release in the form of sets. These sets are all we can get it from this NLM library. Okay, and the same time I'll just give this in browser details. You just go through it like once, like you'll have a better understanding. And the same time, and other set of codes also there, like CVX codes. Other set of codes. These codes are published by CDC, Center for Disease Control and Prevention. And see, if we see, okay, there is a Excel format also. If you want to see, there are many formats. See, the first the first column which giving about the CVX code. CVX nothing but vaccination code. It is CVX codes only used for giving vaccination type. What is the type of vaccines? See, first they'll use the short description, full vaccine name, CVX code, vaccine status, and last updated date. The notes the vaccine administration 2 tablets. Suppose COVID, we can give in the first dose and second dose, right? Like that. These are the number actually we are seeing, right? This is for CVX mapping only for immunization only. These mappings are these mappings. If suppose again this code automatically changes from one set to another set, like based upon the company, also based upon the strength, based upon the type of formulation, again these sets also are going to be changed. This is also used many ways to identify the what is the type of vaccines they are administered. Same like if we are using like vaccines are to Covishield, Covaxin, if anything related to this, we can search it here. See, there are many COVID related vaccines are there, but we need to check the what are the vaccines are listed under FDA. If these vaccines are all listed under FDA, so that we are getting this enough information. Okay, this is only for CVX. I mean, vaccination purpose only. It is widely used when the healthcare is only when a healthcare or office setting only used utilizing for vaccination procedures. Okay. Until then,
Okay.
it is clear.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, fine. And one more thing, like we need to discuss about the few things after this rxnorm code. Like, and I'm reiterating the what are the concepts are pending from my side. Like, if you want anything, miss, please add. Like, so far we have completed line, format, rxnorm. Only 3 concepts covered, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Now the pending part is project explanation and resume resumes updates. We need to update our resumes and
Mm.
assessment and flow charts. Like if any flow charts like live. I mean how I am going, how I am doing
Yes, live chats.
live working on these concepts. I need to show these concepts to you, right?
Yes.
Live working session and again interview, and there some are interview perspective questions are there.
Yes.
I have attended 2-3 interviews. I get this about this thing. I will collect the gathered information, interviews perspective questions. These are the pending. These are the I'm thinking like these are the things we need to cover from this for this remaining part. Like mostly November 10th. Let's assume 11 November 12th. Mostly by November 10th or 12th, I'll complete these things, man. Like project explanation, I'll take two classes. Resume update, anyhow, I'm going to do. Assessment is
Mm.
already done. If one class for assessment, flow charts two, and two classes for interviews. One class or two class. If interviews perspective, I'll check. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, and tomorrow, like we'll connect about this project explanation, like how what all the task I'm doing as a EMR in EMR. I'll explain this project explanation. Sunday also I'll explain this thing, and meanwhile, if any get chance, I'll look after this assessment.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
okay, and. Let's I'm just concluding the session today since rxnorm is just a short session only, but I'll share this recording and I'll share this browser, and please go through this URL like what I'm sharing here, right? Please go through that, and once it is clear means you will understand better idea.
Okay, Chetan.
Okay, okay, fine.
Okay.
Okay, fine. Do you have any doubts for today's session or before that anything?
Uh, no, but Chaitanya, you just help out for for interviews. Like you working in previous company. Which company?
Health
After R1 R7.
Health Point Solutions. Health Point Solutions AI.
Also same like the clients.
It is in Hyderabad.
They have any work from home option?
I actually work from home option is there, but I need to
Mm.
confirm. And
Mm.
I can see many companies in Mumbai location.
Okay, no problem. Mumbai location also because you also transfer from R1 to Health Point, na?
Yeah,
That's
yeah,
why I'm asking.
yeah. Okay.
That's
What
why I'm
I'll do
asking.
is
Will be.
yeah.
Mm.
What I'll do is
Mumbai, I think we
actually the problem in Health Point Solutions is I have joined from Coda to here, and after
Mm.
1 year, 2 years, the project completed. Now, actual from 3 months, the operations are
Uh,
not going. Just we are not getting salary. Just office is there. So,
okay.
so that the reason I have changed to the another company. I'm searching out. I
Okay.
have
Okay.
joined as a business analyst. Now, there what Health Point Solutions are saying like from November 1st, again they are going to
Mm-hmm.
start. And actually, I have taken relieving. So they are also looking for coders, like medical coders who has knowledge on this. but I'll check whether how much they are able to give the right now position, so that I can so that I can able to join, because without paying good amount, like you will not be able to survive like in that field. That's what I'm thinking.
Yes, 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 yes.
Yeah.
Can right?
Otherwise, I'll do one thing, like I'll arrange a one dummy interview. Like in Athena Health and any other companies, they are still working
Mm,
with a different name and different resume. Otherwise, I'll arrange a one dummy interview to you. Like,
okay.
will not proxy. You only have
Mm,
to attend the interview. You'll understand how the process is going.
Yes, so
yes,
we
yes, yes.
Yes,
get
yes,
the questions and the questions how they
yeah, yeah.
Chaitanya,
Okay, yeah.
uh, in right now I'm getting 9 lakhs package
Mm,
per annum. So
okay.
here 30% hike will be getting or 40 to 50%.
Here, 30 to 40% will get. It depends
30 to
upon the
40%.
company, like potential company, they'll give
Okay.
good.
They will give.
Uh,
They give a more package.
yeah, yeah, they'll give. There is not no limitations at all. Because
No limitation.
when I have joined in R1 RCM, right? Once transition
are.
from R1 RCM to
Uh,
a health point solution, at that time I'm getting 42,000 in R1 RCM. I
mm,
have joined here as 66,000.
yes.
Yeah, I got
Okay.
20,000 or 22,000 extra. Like I from 6 lakhs package to I got 9 lakhs. And again, one
Okay.
year I got a hike, but after 1 year they are not ready to give to me, so that I have chosen another company.
Okay. Okay. In Duracare you get hike 40 or 50 or 35 or
No,
40.
actually in Duracare, like I have joined as a role as business analyst. What they are
Hmm.
saying is first 3 months of this probation period will not give you
Hmm.
hike. Once after 3 months of probation, will again revise your pay. They wrote in a offer letter. That's the standard practice they'll do for everyone who joins in a due care.
Okay.
It is
Okay.
like
Okay.
somewhat like product sale to direct hospitals, right? They were like,
Yes.
yeah, you are not exposed to business analyst role. Even though I'm working
Hmm.
as a snowmed analyst, but there my job role is like business analyst. Like I need to sit with
Okay.
the development team, and I need to
Hmm.
give the information like how the browser works and everything options in a flow wise chart. So in order they insisted me to join as a fresher kind of business analyst, but after 3 months they'll
Hmm.
revise my pay.
Okay. Okay. मैं क्या
Currently
बोल
for
रहा
3 months also they are giving.
Hello?
If they may for first 3 months they can pay you salary, not like that zero
No, they're paying the same pay what I'm getting
same
in the yeah,
package like
yeah,
previously package
yeah,
whatever you are in
same,
there,
yeah,
same they are giving. After 3 months they will revise.
yes, yes. But I can see like some other companies like in Pune and Mumbai, they are ready to
Hmm.
give, man. They are in their Naukri, they are giving like 13 to 15 lakhs, and in Chennai also. But I'm trying to get, if any better opportunity, I'll definitely move out.
Yes. Yes.
Like first
In
I'll
Mumbai they give 13 to 14 lakhs.
yes, yes.
Okay. Okay. We are looking Mumbai, Pune only.
Hmm.
If we are getting work from home, so no problem. Other state also.
Okay. Okay. Okay, fine. Let's wrap up this session, and tomorrow we'll start with the project estimation and assessment.
Okay.
Chetan, may
Yeah.
tomorrow afternoon or morning
Afternoon,
Yes.
you
No
have
problem.
time.
I'll let you know.
Because
Like because hello.
If you have time, na, you will let know us so we can.
Yeah. I'll let you know afternoon time only.
Saturday, Sunday will be assessment part. Saturday we will solve the assessment, and we
Hmm.
have many doubts in assessment, so we'll discuss Sunday for assessment.
Okay. Okay.
Because Sunday will be we have both time, na? Saturday or Sunday.
Yeah, yeah.
So we don't have any work pressure and anything. So we can solve the assessment. Saturday and Sunday will be discuss on assessment.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine.
Okay. Okay,
Okay, fine.
Chaitanya.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye bye.